Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas, the extreme heat edition, and this is all about what we are sowing and growing in July. Now yes, we are in a heat wave here, and in the greenhouse today it is 43.6 at 32% humidity. As you can see, it's very empty. All of my tomatoes, my peppers and my aubergines are all outside enjoying a little bit of shade whilst it's so hot. But I know that time's getting close and we're thinking about what to sow in July, and I'll keep it simple. I'll do my three favourite things that I always sow in July. First one being straight away is French beans. Yep, you're not too late. If we have an Indian summer, French beans are absolutely fine to start now. And I do two lots. So we do climbers and we do the dwarf French beans that only sit around this high, but pound for pound, these really do pack a punch. So variety wise, I've gone for Kinghorn Wax, and that's a yellow bean, tastes a little bit different, and just a climbing French bean, which is a generic make from Lidl. So that's what I've gone for. Number one things we should be sowing in July. Up next is carrots. Now, how are your carrots getting on? Mine are absolutely fantastic. However, I didn't cover them. I should have, but I didn't. And so far so good. But it's time to sow some more carrots. And the variety I'm going for with the carrots is Amsterdam Forcing. Now, with carrots and germination, we have everything perfect. We have loads of light, actually the most light because it's the solstice, and we have very warm soil temperatures. So everything is in our favour for sowing seeds. But carrots, they need keeping moist. So through a heat wave, probably not so good. Let it cool down a bit, then sow these, keep them moist until they germinate, and you're on to a winner. So that's number two. And number three in July is, well, let's face it, it's all about salad season, isn't it? And the salad we've sown last month is now this big. So this is ready to go into the beds. But succession, we want some more. So we'll be doing, again, this is a free variety mix, and it's greens and reds mixed together, and that's what I'll be doing. And I'll be also doing my lettuces along with my spring onions, and they are my top three tips for July. And if you want another little bonus one as well, you can do your curly kales now for going into the winter. So get them started off now. They'll grow very, very slowly, and then in winter they're ready to go in at the end of, say, August, and they should see us through. So with my curly kale, I'm going to leave it in a shady spot because it's germinated and come out really quick. So I want to slow it down. So it's out the greenhouse and on a shady bench. Other things we can be sowing are beetroots. And for this time of year, it'll grow really fast. So you could try beetroot leaves. That's a good harvest. And again, the curly kales. So kale Nero, curly kales, anything of that nature. Oh, and by the way, guys, we do have an app for this channel now. It's fantastic, it's free, and it gives you that guide step by step on how to grow vegetables. You can only get it off our website, easy to download, and go and have some fun with it. What else are you going to do on these hot and sticky days? So that's it, short and sweet. Have a great summer, and we'll see you on the next video.